Secret tricks that are really useful and that very few people know. If you are one of those who likes to use nail polish and you paint your nails often, but you always complain because it takes too long to dry, I have the solution for you. Simply immerse your nails in cold water for a few minutes, and you will see that the nail polish will dry faster. If you have ever tried to remove a nail from the wall with a hammer and you end up staining the wall, this trick will save you. You just have to use the sponge as a protector by placing it under the hammer before removing the nail. The sponge will absorb the iron and the paint will remain safe. To prevent the onion sulfur from tearing you apart when you chop it, all you have to do is fill a container with water and put the onion inside for a few seconds after peeling it, and thus prevent your eyes from getting irritated. Peel a tangerine, and instead of throwing the peels in the trash, place them in a container with water, and then place them in the microwave for a minute. This is ideal to remove dirt and grease from the microwave. As time goes by, just remove all the dirt with a towel and it will be very clean. When using ginger in the kitchen, instead of using a vegetable peeler or a knife, simply use a spoon. Rub the spoon on the skin of the ginger and you will see how easily it peels. If you want to drink a cold drink and don't want to wait long, simply place the drink in a container with ice and salt. You will see how it will cool down in a matter of minutes. You can prevent your hands from smelling of garlic or onion after cooking. You just have to take an old tea bag that you have already used and rub it on your hands for a minute. You will see that it will eliminate the bad smell. You can keep the corner of the adhesive tape visible. Simply place a clip on the corner of the adhesive tape and you will never have to struggle to find it again. It is usually uncomfortable that when reading books, the pages do not stay still in their place while you read in a ventilated place. To avoid this, you can use an elastic band. Simply wrap the band around the correct page and it will stay in place. Carrots are often tedious to peel, so your fingers are orange due to the dye of the vegetable. But if you use a brush to rub thickly, it will be much faster and easier to peel it. And the best thing is that you will not stain your fingers. You can restore your wet electronic devices. Simply put them in a container with rice and let them rest for a few hours. The rice will absorb the water and let it work. When using hot water in the bathroom, the mirrors tend to fog up, but if you apply shaving cream to the mirror, you will notice that the mirror will remain unfogged even when the bathroom is filled with steam. Look at the difference. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more tips like this.
Este.